Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard. So far is the echo. When do we start? You can learn that it's.
Hi guys, I'm back again. You know, I have to show you something here. Oh my god, look, they are relaxing. They just eat breakfast. So ayan yung work kahapon. So far we have there is progress yesterday, and this is it, our gate. This is our gate for the duck. You know, the purpose why we are doing this gate, because the duck, they are eating banana. Look at this. Look how they murder the banana. So this is the duck house where the ducks will stay in here, and this is the wall. This is the wall, and in this area we have to put also a wall, you know, because sometimes we saw that chicken and ducks are fighting, so we have to put a wall here. Wall. So it's not a wall, it's same as that. So we will put here, and yeah, so this is inside. It's big, so it's possible maybe 20 or 60 by 20. This size 60 by 20. So, and guys, I love also here because the trees, you see, so it's not really hot in this place because we are under the trees. Look, diba? Grabe, ang init ngayon. Look at the sky. It's blue. Blue sky. Sky blue. Blue sea. Blue sea. Oh, diba? Ganyan ang kulay ng dagat pag malalim at malinis. Blue sea. Yan. Ganyan talaga. Yan. So, we almost done. We're almost done. So, possible maybe before 10 we will finish this. So, we can transfer the duck here, but maybe I cannot take videos because my phone, it's already 25% left of the battery. So I don't think so that I can record when we transfer the duck here. Yeah, so that's all, and I hope to see you again. Yan. So ayan na guys, update lang tayo. Ay tapos na. So akala ko kanina hindi ako makapag-record, pero ito na, napasok na namin itong mga duck na to dito, kasi tapos na tong gate nila. So ito, yan, nasa loob na sila, meron silang pagkain. So hindi na sila magkakalat ng poop nila.
Hello, mano. Oy. Ulang ako. Yan, kagiring-giring tayo ron. Sumalo sila na mamanin.
Wendy, gawas ko na yung kuha naton. Gawas ko na yung kanaton tarsier.
Puro sa madungong mulo nung kusukusuway.
Ito na ang mga alaga. Ayan, actually by group sila eh. Itong mga malaki-laki, isang grupo. At yung yung mga maliit ay isang grupo din. So kumbaga parang nandito lahat yung mga binata. Mga binata nandito na at mga dalaga nandito. Tapos yung dalawang buwan o 3 buwan na ba yon ay ibang grupo din. So kaya ano ba yun? Kaunti lang dito. Ayun ang malala ay kinakain nila yung inuubod nila tong saging. Ayan no. So kaya kailangan namin ikulong yan. Mga yan. Kasi kawawa naman ang saging. Ayan no. Ayan no, nagsisimula na sila. Anuhin yung puno ng saging. Kasi mataba yung puno ng saging. Ayan o. Ito naman si Manang, ang ingay ni Manang, iitlog ang ingay. Hindi na lang umitlog. Nag-iingay pa. Ayan o, iitlog na yan. Nag-iingay. Bago mag-lay ng egg. Alas 7 pa lang guys, pero yung araw parang na, nangangain na yung araw. Ayan o. Alas 7 pa lang yan. Pero yung araw, wala na, titirik na yung